This problem we're asked to find the least common multiple, the LCM, of these three numbers, 420, 18, and 135. The first step in finding the least common multiple is to find the prime factors of each of these. And I think it's helpful to put these in ascending order. I'm going to start off with the 18 and then write the 135 second, and finally the 420. So the prime factors of 18, well, we could do a simple little factor tree, and 18 is even, so we know 2 goes into it 9 times, and then we can break the 9 up to 3 times 3. So the prime factors of 18 are 2 times 2 times, it's 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 times 3, the prime factors of 18. I'm going to let you go ahead and put it on pause and see what you come up with for the prime factors of 135. Okay, welcome back. What did you get for the prime factors of 135? I think you should have gotten 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. If you did, go ahead and jump ahead to the next part of the problem. If not, we'll go ahead and do the prime factors of 135 by doing a factor tree on this. We can see first off that it's not divisible by 2 because it's not an even number. Is it divisible by 3? Well, a way you can tell is take each of the digits, the 1 and the 3 and the 5, add those 3 digits together, so 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9. And if what you get, which we got 9, if 9 is divisible by 3, then this number 135 is divisible by 3. So sure enough, 9 is divisible by 3, so 135 must be. So let's see, 3 times what is 135? Well, I can divide 3 into 13. I think it goes 4 times. And 1 left over, 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 45. Now, let's see if 45 is divisible by 3. Once again, let's add the 2 digits together. 4 plus 5 is 9. That is divisible by 3, so 45 must be divisible by 3. And sure enough, 3 goes into 4 1 time with 1 left over. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 3 times 15 is 45. And we can keep going with this. Let's see, is 15 divisible by 3? You probably already know what the factors of 15 are, but sure enough, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, so 3 must go into 15, and it does 5 times. So there are the prime factors of 135. The 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, let's see if you can find out what the prime factors of 420 are. Go ahead, put it on pause, and we'll check back and see if we get the same value. Okay, I've changed colors. I believe the prime factors of 420 are, let's see, I've done this out here, and I think I get 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. If you got those prime factors, go ahead and jump to the next part of the problem. If not, we're going to do the factor tree on this and see if that truly is the prime factorization of 420. So here goes the factor tree. It's an even number, so we know 2 divides into it. 2 goes into 4 2 times, goes into 2 once, and 0 0. So now how about 210? Well, that's also even, so we know 2 divides into that. And 2 goes into 2 one time. 0 5. 2 times 105 is 210. And now that 105 is not even, but let's see if it's divisible by 3. And what we do for that is just add up the digits. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 5 is 6, and 3 goes into 6, so 3 must go into 105. And 3 goes into 105, let's see, 3, 5, I believe, 35. And let's try it one more time and see if 3 goes into 35. You probably know that it doesn't, but notice that 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 doesn't go into 8, so 3 doesn't go into 35. But notice that 35 ends in a 5, so therefore 5 must divide into 35. And sure enough, 5 times 7 is 35. So the prime factors are 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. And let's see, do we have that? 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Okay, the next step in finding the least common multiple, now that we've found all the prime factors, is to just start off and write down all the factors that we have for the first number, 18. And so those were 2, and I'm going to leave some space because as you'll find out, we'll need some space for some other factors in here. 2, and then we have 3, and then another 3. Then we jump over and look at 135, and we check out and see if we've covered the factors already over here with 135. So 3, yes, we have a 3 already. A second 3, yes, we have a second 3. A third 3, no, we don't have that yet. So we need to add to that. Add that 3 to the factors that we already have. And 5, we don't have a 5, so we add that in. And let's go through the factors of 420. 2, do we have a 2 listed? Yes, we do. A second 2, no, we only have one 2, so let's add another. A 3, yes, we have a 3. A 5, yes, we have a 5. How about a 7? Nope, don't have that. Let's add it in. And then now finally, to find out what the LCM is we just multiply all these together. So 2 times 2 is, that would be 4, times 3 is 12, times 3, 12. Times 3 is 36, times 3 is, what's that? I think that's 108. Times 5 is, let's see, that'd be 540. And then times 7, 7 times 540, let's see, 7 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7, that's 28. We're going to be carrying a 2. 7 times 5 is 35, plus the 2 is 37. 3,780 is the least common multiple. Okay, so I hope that helps. That was a good challenging least common multiple problem. See you next time.